Right, I've come down to City Hall to get my pass for the Penafrancia. Now it's not written in stone I'm going to get it. I've just looked at this and there's like a music and arts festival. I don't know if it's finished or it's
finished. Look, the stage. It's not moving.
yeah, but it might be they're building the stage, so we're gonna look. So this short video is, let's see if I get my pass. Let's see. Mel keeps saying, think positive, think positive. Look at her face, it looks like I've slapped her. Look. Actually I did, I punched her in the face. No, I didn't. Joke long. So let's see if I get my pass. Did you ask if this was over?
No, not yet. I will ask.
Well, ask that guy over there, he'll tell you. He's full of information, it's amazing. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a video walking around Centro. I'm not going to say anything, and hopefully I'll get 102,000 views. Morning. It's just crazy, it's crazy. I was thinking that Screwboob was screwing me up, but I think it's not Screwboob. Hello, are you okay? Yeah, he's from where we live. He's always drunk. See, if this happens, then I can come down and do a video for you. I'm just burnt out, guys. I don't know what to do to progress the channel. Every time I try and do something, it doesn't work. In fact, it probably makes things worse. I mean, this channel is about my journey from the UK to the Philippines and what happens. But people sending messages saying, well, we want you to do this and we want you to do that, and we need information on this and we need information on that. And it's like, that's not really what the channel is about. It's like, I come from the UK, I'm 62 years old, I'm married to a 36-year-old, I've got 2 babies. What is it? Sophia's 5 on the 14th, Matthew's 6 on the 15th of September. Not many days. It's like I'm 62 and I've got 2 babies. And it's crazy.
Tomorrow, mini concert.
Mini concert tomorrow, so
7 p.m.
we'll try and get, and we'll probably be demonetized, of course. Do you know what?
Singing.
First day at school, there was a little bit of music in the background. I got demonetized. It's like, we can't win. We just can't win. Can't make anything on AdSense. Everybody's leaving in droves. It's just crazy stuff. I keep saying I'm going to do a quick video and it always ends up until like 10 minutes. But the guy who got 102,000 views for just walking around Naga never said nothing. He just walked around Naga. All the comments were positive.
We do it tomorrow. Don't say anything.
No, I'm going to do it. I'm going to walk around Naga and I'm going to see what the reaction is. Now, I bet it's negative. Chris, why didn't you say something?
That's what you are not doing now. You say something.
Yeah.
I will show you something here.
So guys, this is City Hall. This is where you come if you want a civil wedding.
Yeah, cheaper.
And it's cheap. But what I would advise, if you're going to marry a Filipina, marry her outside the country.
So why you married
Because
me
if
here?
because I didn't know. If I'd have realized, I would have married you outside the country. No, I can't divorce. There's no divorce in the Philippines. It's only annulment, and it's not guaranteed, guys. Now, when the Penafrancia starts in a day or so, there's going to be military and police everywhere. Loads of police, loads of military. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. You want to get down here, honestly. Afternoon, guys. They're very polite. You know, they're great. Naga's brilliant. I love Naga. People keep saying, Chris, if you had a choice, not Naga, I'm just saying, for example, where would you want to live? I don't know, Leyte, but I'd have to go through all the learning and the side streets and the shortcuts and what's cheaper where, and I don't want to go through all that again. If me and Mel split, I wouldn't want to leave Naga because of me kids. And don't get excited, trolls, we're not splitting up.
Only a prank.
It's a prank. Yeah, I like drama. Maybe a little bit of drama would got us some more views, but maybe not.
Drama, you have loads of views.
Yeah, loads of views when we got drama, guys. Lots of drama.
People like drama.
Yeah. So this is City Hall. This is where you come for most everything. This is where you come and pay your water. Unless you go to 7-Eleven, you can pay it there. You can pay it online. You don't actually have to come here physically. Now there's a restaurant, and I think the restaurant's closed down. They've moved up San Felipe, and the chef is the owner, and she was trained in Japan. And the food is absolutely amazing. Amazing. So we'll just show you where the street is. I mean, I know there's no point. I'm sure it's closed down now. I think, Mel, is it closed down, Mel?
And under renovation. I don't know.
I'm not sure if they've closed it or they just closed it for renovation. This is where you pay your water bill, guys, right next to City Hall. And this is where the restaurant is. Now, when our subscribers dropped us off here, I'm looking at them thinking, are you having a laugh? But when we got in and we got the food, oh my god, it was amazing.
Yeah, I like that.
Absolutely delicious.
Different.
It's like in the UK, you'd order a plumber and somebody would turn up in a beautiful van. He's got the right clothes on and stuff. Right, the water board is there, right, where you pay your bill. This is the street where the restaurant's on. They've opened up another restaurant up in San Felipe.
Yeah.
Anyway, you get this plumber to come out. He's got a beautiful van. He's got all the right clothes on, you know, boiler suit, all the rest of it, all nice new tools, and he does a crap job. So next time you order another plumber, he turns up, his van's dropping to bits. It looks like, you know, he needs a wash, and he does a fantastic job. Oh, this isn't good. This is the restaurant.
Yeah, it's under renovation.
This is where the restaurant used to be.
Yeah.
I don't think they're renovating it. Ask them what they're doing. This is where the restaurant was, guys.
Yeah, they renovate.
They're renovating it.
Yeah.
They've pulled it down
Yeah.
to renovate it.
Yeah, the other one branch is in San Felipe.
Ah,
Thank you, Kuya.
thank you very much. So there you go. They're building the restaurant again. Sorry, I'm getting a bit close. I wouldn't have thought they'd have done that. That's a lot of money. I wanted to get lots of foreigners to go to that restaurant because she deserves it. She's put a load of time and effort into it, and the food is fantastic. Honestly, I'm gonna do.
Next time I will trip you.
We're going to San Felipe. We're going to have some food. I'll take a video. Yeah, it's just on the main road.
Yeah. So we
And we're not getting anything for recommending the restaurant. Well, we don't get anything for anything. We want to promote Naga businesses just because we want to promote them.
Some
We
of
love
our
Naga.
subscribers, they ask where you refer to go restaurant.
Yeah.
We
Anyway, guys, that's it. Over to Melody.
please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys, so very hot.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination. Big thanks to all of you.